Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to share some exciting stuff with you which you can do using v0.dev, which is artificial intelligence tool. And here is this image and I'm going to create website out of this image. So I'm attaching this image to v0.dev and it will start creating the application. So here I will just mention create application by referencing this image. And this video is not only for the software engineers, but anyone who wants to create website based on their ideas and who just have very little knowledge of development. Those people can also create the website in just a few minutes. So this is the image that I have added as input to this v0.dev, and let's see how it creates the web application just by referencing the image. So it has started thinking and it will analyze what are the files which needs to be created, and it will start constructing all the files, and automatically we would be able to see the live website within just minutes. So till the time it creates the code, we can see the image. So here we have two pages, and one is this landing page and the other one is a project management. And let's just see in how much time it basically creates the application. So I'm excited. I'm also trying this for the first time, and let's see how well it creates the application. So the application is ready. Since this frame is little, so we may not be able to see the full picture, so I would open this in new tab so that we will get to know how it looks. So I think this looks pretty much closer to our actual website, and if we compare it with our image also, only one thing is it has not added the image. So but someone who knows little bit of coding, he can also add his own image on the right hand side of the website. If you compare it, the actual content and the colors are pretty much close. I can see the top nav bar, I can see all the three pages which we also have it in our image, and it looks visually appealing as well. So from here, if you want to go through the code and see the steps what it has follows, you can do that. Also you can download the zip and run it in your local as well. So for someone who doesn't know how to build web applications from scratch and very limited knowledge if they have, they can just use English as their programming language and create the web application on their own. So let's just see whether this particular application is responsive or not. We haven't mentioned that in our prompt, but let's see the intelligence of artificial tool like v0.dev, whether this is responsive or not. So I will just slightly minimize this window, and the width, if the width is lesser, you can see it actually looks like mobile application. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.